Well, we finally upgraded to hanging a TV on the wall. Well, we have unsightly cords now. I'm going to show you how to fix that. Another day. So I bought this piece of home improvement thing. Yeah, I'm not real sure what to do with it. I'm going to have to call the National Helpline for DIY. You guys don't know about that one? It's 1-888-NATLHLP. Yeah, it's DIYers' dream come true. They answer the phone, they'll come out to your house, and they'll tell you everything what you got to do. So let's give them a call. Hi, this is John from the National DIY Helpline. Hi, National Helpline. I'm calling because I got a product here for a home improvement, and I don't know how to install it, and I don't know what to do. It's a flat screen TV cord hider adapter kit thing, and I don't know what to do. So, yes, we can send somebody out. You can send somebody out, help you, show you what tools you need, and they can be out tomorrow. Well, we went to Home Depot because we tried Amazon, and the product we were trying to get off Amazon was returned twice. So I went down to my local Home Depot, picked me up one of these. It is the Commercial Electric Low Profile TV Cable Organizing Kit. So with this one, we're gonna have to cut a few holes in the wall. And I'm gonna go into detail and show you exactly how it's done. The best part about doing projects around here is you get to get these tools. Yes. So I got a new tool here. It's an oscillating multi-tool. So it can cut drywall, wood, metal, depending on the attachment that you have on it. So there's a link down below of where I ordered it from and waited for it to get here. If you click that link and order it through that link, it helps me out. So before we get too far along in this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and click that subscribe button. It does help me out. Thanks, guys. So this kit came with a sweet bag, charger, and a battery. If you want the tool only because you have a bunch of batteries, yeah, I understand. And here's the actual tool itself. Well, let's get to this. I'm excited to use this. Alright, so what we're going to start with is the templates that they provided to place on the wall. So what I'm going to do first, since this might be a load-bearing wall, I'm going to check and see if there's any studs in it. And there is. Correction. There wasn't any in there, so disregard the part about it being a load-bearing wall. I'm going to place the top template a little bit above it. Now, I get to use my new tool. I'm going to make sure my opening is big enough for this. Looks like it's perfect. None of the sights or none of the cuts are showing through. in the middle so it looks better. But first I gotta find my pencil. Stand by. And we're back with my pencil. Now we get to cut it. And it will fit. Oh yeah, that one will be super long.
That one's plenty long enough. And of course they did. Of course they use zip ties. Zip ties are removed. Now we get to fish these wires. First, what I'm going to do is fish this one up and through. I'm going to fish this one up and through. So it's easier. And I'm going to adjust the camera and we'll be right back.
Place these. They've got little flippers here that actually grab the back of the wall. So all you gotta do, they sit into a recessed hole when they're fully locked. So we're gonna drop this into its home. They have push-on connectors here. And we're gonna connect. It comes everything. Already tells you which wire to what. It says black wire to black wire, white wire to white wire, copper wire to green wire.
So, we go. Push in white to white. Push in black to black. Push in ground to ground. Like so. And we're going to take our HDMI wire here, drop him in, because this one was a little bit tight when we test fitted it. Put these all back inside the wall. Make sure those are inside the wall. And down, up. And she's in. Now, we just got to tighten down all these screws.
And we'll be done.
Which will pull our little wings in to make it tight up against the wall. It'd be a lot easier if I would grab the drill, but hey, who doesn't like a little twisting?
And this is the finished product. Looks a lot cleaner, looks a lot better. Well, if it was up to me, I'd rate this install as easy. You don't need power tools, it just makes it easier. So make sure you guys tell me what you think. Tell me what I did wrong. Tell me what I could do better. Thanks for your feedback. Drop a comment below.